In today's video, I will walk you through how to make HDR effects in Adobe Photoshop. To start, select the background layer and press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate it. After that, go to Filter and choose Convert for Smart Filters, then hit OK. Now double-click on the thumbnail of layer 1. This will open the layer in another document. Once that opens, go to Image, then Adjustments, and choose HDR Toning. At this point, you can adjust the settings however you want. For this example, just hit OK first, then click Yes. After that, open the preset drop-down menu and select Photorealistic High Contrast. Once selected, hit OK again. Now press Ctrl or Command S to save the document. As soon as it saves, go back to the original document and you'll see the effect is already updated automatically. Next, hold Alt or Option and click on the Mask button to create a black mask. After that, select the brush tool and set the flow somewhere around 20 to 30. For this example, set it to 30. Now start painting with white on the areas where you want the HDR effect to appear. Paint over the parts of the image where you want to reveal the effect. And that's how to apply this HDR effect non-destructively. Since the effect is applied this way, you can always increase or decrease the opacity whenever you want. Normally, HDR toning flattens everything, but with this method, you keep full control over the effect. Here's the before and here's the after.